Hey, this is Bubli here, and just wanted to make a quick video about the blog that I've created about Draghi and ECB, how to trade the ECB news. What I usually do is that I check, of course, the Forex Factory website, and as you can see here, we have the ECB press conference on the 26th of April. Yep, all good. And let's go back to here and see 26th of April. Yeah, that's the bar. Yep. So that's just 1:35, which is UK time, summertime. 1:35. It's a 5-minute chart. So it has gone all the way down and then it's gone up. So the market has been, when with his speech was going on, the market was indecisive. It was moving up, down. First it went down, then all the way up. So, and still it's not, it's very choppy out here, and there's a high test bar out there. But if you see here at 2:30, the market has just started to trend, and that is when you take the trade. You can take up to anywhere up to 10 to 50 pips. So there you go, how to trade the news of the ECB especially. I hope that was useful and helpful. Take care. Bye for now.